So we're still working on the combine. We're also, we replaced all the belts on it. You guys saw the pile of belts. We got them all replaced. And then the other thing we're also doing is we purchased a used field tracker kit. So what that is, for those that don't know, here on the faceplate, this is where the head mounts, for the platform head for soybeans or your corn head. What the field tracker does is it tips the faceplate back and forth as you go down the field. It automatically adjusts to the contour of the ground. The head had an automatic height adjustment where it would go up and down, but now the field tracker kit will go left and right also. So there's a hydraulic cylinder here behind on the faceplate. You can see where those hoses run in, and that's what controls, the tip of the head. So we're doing that in addition to working on the hydro, and the belts. So she's getting a pretty good work over this year. Next year is more stuff again every year with these combines. They're a maintenance hungry piece of equipment. So thanks for watching. Well, you can see the side tins are back on the machine. I didn't get, a friend of ours was here and said, hey, can you give us a hand? Because we had all the tin work off it. It was me and my brother that took it off, and it was touch and go getting it down to one piece, and another guy was here and we just said, hey, give us a hand, and didn't have time to get the camera set up. I really wanted to, but didn't have time. So as you see, we got all the tin work back on. You saw us raise the hydro up and get that bolted on. So she's all back together. We had her out today. We were working on the head, and I think it's going to be go time for soybeans here in the next, within a week, we're going to be in soybeans. So hope to get some good video, cutting some beans, and giving this old girl, she's going to have a work cut out for her again. This is season number 10 for us on it. It's a 1992 Case IH 1660 axial flow. We bought it in 2011, so this is its 10th season for us. It's got about 4,200 hours on it, engine hours. So, all right, well, thanks for watching.